Hi, this is Romar, your craft and design tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your text thicker in Cricut Design Space. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. So the first step is to click on the text button, and then you're going to type your text. Then we're going to choose the font. Mine is already pre-selected, it's Hysteria Bytes, but you can choose whatever font you want to use. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger to make it easier to see. Then you're going to click on offset, and you're going to try to put in the lowest setting possible. I found that 0.03 works best for this one that I'm using, but that depends on the font that you're using, so you might want to change the setting. Then you're going to click, make sure that weld offsets is checked, and you're going to click on apply. After that, you're going to select the font and the outline. You're going to click on combine, unite, and there you go, you're done.